Hello YouTube, this is Janessa Turner on my channel Tiger Toes Turner. Now today I'm going to be, or not today, tonight, sorry, it's nighttime right now. I'm actually filming in the basement of the apartment building where I am staying currently. I did try to start making this video outside for the purpose of the item I purchased, which I'm going to do a review for you on. Now, first few things I want to tell you before I show you what I purchased is when you're shopping on Wish, please be careful. Because I know a lot of you are skeptical about Wish.com. I don't blame you. Trust me, I've been there myself. I've been skeptical about getting stuff off of Wish until I actually started ordering stuff and seeing how they were arriving, just how normal or oh god, sorry, I got a little off track there. But yeah, just how like normal people who buy stuff off of Wish regularly, a lot of these items come in earlier than their expected arrival date that they tell you, which is pretty good actually. It's fun to have a little bit of a surprise when you're expecting an item on a specific date and it arrives early, which happens to be the case most of the time. Now, okay, so my instructions to anyone who hasn't ordered off of Wish yet, or has and they're still somewhat skeptical. Read the reviews. I know I look and I sound like a mom when I'm waving my finger like this, but damn it, read those reviews, check out the ratings. I can't stress it enough. You want to do those two things first and then decide on whether it's worth getting the product that you're looking at. Now, I'm not gonna lie, out of the, I don't know, I can't remember specifically, but I think it's about 24 orders so far that I've made off of Wish. Out of the 24 that I've ordered, maybe only 2 out of all those orders have been faulty. But that's because I did not read the reviews on those 2 items and I didn't check out the ratings. That was on me. I wasn't smart with those 2 items. But the rest of them came in just as expected, came in just as how I wanted them, or better, actually. But yeah, when it comes to Wish, just read the reviews, check out the ratings, and decide for yourself if you think it's worth getting. Now, on to the part where we review the product that I just got. Okay, I ordered a mini camcorder off of Wish. It was actually Monday morning of this week. Right now, today it is the 7th of October. I ordered this camcorder on Monday and got it on Wednesday, no, Thursday is when I got it. Thursday is when I got it. It arrived 4 days early, and it was expected to be here on the 9th, which is next Monday. So there was only a week of expected to wait for it to arrive, but it has already arrived, and I'm happy because that means I can get started planning on more YouTube videos for you all to watch. More YouTube videos with better quality, sound, and visual, and I could give more video content, especially with another item that I'm expecting within the next couple weeks, which will help me with the video quality and content. You'll all see as soon as it happens. You'll all see as soon as I get them all. Stay tuned. I will not leave you in the lurch. I will upload every time I get the chance. Now that being said, let's get to it. Okay, so this is the Mini Camcorder that I got. It's a DVC HD quality Mini Camcorder. And this is the sorry, it's kind of hard for me to open with just one hand, using my phone's camera to record this and then showing you guys the features here. Okay, so we have the wide to tall option right here. We got these stills in the record option here. This is for like basic main menu kind of stuff here. Arrow keys, and the OK button in the middle does this. Oh wait, sorry, I forgot to turn it on for you guys. Okay, so now it's on. Now I can show you. Okay, so the OK button in the middle of those arrow keys does that. So I have my own LED flashlight built in. Okay, so that right there is the power button. This is the display button. And as you can see, it works. I got the amount of time available on the SD card, which I did have to get separately, but it's nothing to complain about, nothing to worry about. Most camcorders are like that, where you have to get the SD card separately. But yeah, I got 3 hours, 36 minutes, and 19 seconds of memory. And it shows that the SD card is in there. And let me turn this off real quick so I can show you the rest. Safely, of course. Okay, so in here we have the mini USB port for charging and connecting to a computer. Then right here we have a AV plug or some kind of cable cord connector to where you can connect it to a TV and review footage that way. Okay, so also we have the battery pack here, battery And then the slot for the SD card, it only can hold a maximum 32 gig SD card, which ain't really nothing to complain about. But there's that piece there. It also had its own little carrying bag case kind of thing, which is kind of cute. The USB plug, USB port, and the cord to connect it to a TV. And yes, it's an official packaging. And guys, I only got this for $23.50 because I purchased with someone to get the rebate. It was originally going to be $26, but I did the whole buy with someone thing. Got it for $23.50 for the item. The shipping was about $11, I want to say. Understandable. I can deal with that. But I am actually really happy with this because now I can give you guys better video quality, better video content, and the sole purpose, the reason why I wanted to get this camcorder is because I want to start doing ghost hunting videos and all that kind of stuff for you guys, for your entertainment. But if you want to watch them, please stay tuned. My second ghost hunting video will be starting to be recorded tomorrow night with my crew, which is my husband and my friends Amanda and Brian. I'll give you guys links down below to find them. But yeah, I do encourage you guys to subscribe, to like, and to comment on this video, to hit that notification bell, and share this video, please. You know, it's Halloween themed entertainment. It's that time of the year, that perfect time of the year for ghost hunting videos, especially if you're starting, and for people to want to watch these kinds of videos. So I encourage you to do all of that. I encourage you to subscribe, comment, like, hit the notification bell. I encourage you to share this video and my channel. Please, it would be gracious if you could help me out with that, because I promise you I'm going to be uploading a lot of videos. Each and every chance that I get, there will be a new video posted. You will be notified as soon as possible if you do these things for me. If you subscribe, if you comment, if you like, if you smash that notification bell, and I promise you, you'll be notified right away as soon as I make the next video and future videos. I promise you I'll do everything I can to make sure you guys are not disappointed. That's all for now. I gotta go. Love you.